Anna, get back from the edge. Anna, are you hurt?
It's just so...
I know.
Okay. San Francisco to Los Angeles. Highway 1 the whole way.
A few days. We don't rush. We stop whenever.
The rule is, if it looks stunning, we pull over.
So we pull over constantly.
Possibly. Have you figured out the overnight stops?
Monterey tonight, Big Sur tomorrow, Malibu by the end.
Perfect. What if the GPS loses signal in Big Sur?
We'll figure it out. There's a paper map in the glove box.
You bought a paper map.
After getting lost in Manhattan, yes, I bought a paper map.
That's genuinely impressive.
I figured out that preparation is worth it.
Now you're connecting the episodes.
The words connect themselves. Red convertible, open top, Highway 1. This is exactly right.
Did you check the tire pressure? It's a long drive.
Already done. And I asked them to check the oil and brakes before we picked it up.
You did?
I figured out after Colorado that checking things before is better than figuring them out on the road.
Joel, you're a completely different person.
Same person, better habits.
Mr. Harris, your cruiser is ready. Full tank, all checks done. One thing to note, the coastal road through Big Sur has a temporary lane closure from Friday afternoon. You may want to figure out an alternative if you're passing through after 2 p.m.
We'll be there Friday morning. Should be fine.
Perfect. The views through Big Sur are stunning this time of year. Worth every mile.
Stunning. That's the rule.
What rule?
If it looks stunning, we pull over.
Then you'll be pulling over every 5 minutes on Highway 1.
That's the plan.
Joel,
I know.
it's already stunning.
We haven't even left the city properly.
Look at that water.
Pull over at that viewpoint ahead.
Yes. Now, how do people drive this road every day and not cry?
You figure out how to look at it differently? Like living next to a painting.
I could never figure that out. I'd pull over every morning.
That would make you very late for work.
Worth it. Ow! The glare off the water. I need sunglasses.
Glove box, next to the map.
Of course it is. I need coffee and something to eat before Big Sur.
This bakery. The smell alone.
What do you have that's local?
Sourdough toast with local honey and sea salt butter. And our clam chowder starts at 10.
Sourdough toast. 2.
And 2 large coffees. Driving Highway 1?
San Francisco to LA. 5 days.
Then you figured out the right way to do California. Most people fly between the cities. They miss everything in between.
What's the most stunning part of the drive?
Big Sur, without question. You'll figure out why when you get there. No photograph explains it.
We've heard that before. The Grand Canyon?
Same energy, different element. The canyon is rock and depth. Big Sur is cliff and ocean and sky all at once.
I already want to pull over and we haven't left town yet.
That feeling doesn't go away. Total is $14.
This is already the best drive we've ever taken.
We just started.
I know. Imagine D3.
The road just gets narrower.
And the cliff gets higher.
Are you nervous?
No. I'm too busy looking. Joel, pull over.
Now? Anna, get back from the edge. Anna, are you hurt?
It's just so stunning.
There's a path.
Down to the beach?
Looks like it. Want to figure out where it goes?
Always. My legs are shaking a little.
From the climb or the view?
Both. Joel, the sand is purple.
I didn't know that was real.
Why?
Manganese garnet, apparently. Washes down from the cliffs.
Sounds like a spell.
Sounds like something a wizard would mine. Pull up some driftwood. Let's sit.
I keep thinking about what you said. The world being bigger than you can figure out.
I meant it.
I think that's the nicest kind of true thing. The kind you can't figure out, but it doesn't bother you.
Some mysteries are better left as mysteries.
I couldn't figure out how to describe it.
Stunning is exactly right.
It felt too small a word.
Sometimes the right word feels too small for what it's describing. That's what makes it a great word.
That's very good.
New York taught me things.
Broadway specifically?
The actress said the show means something different every night. I think places are the same. Big Sur means something different to every person who sees it.
What does it mean to you?
That the world is bigger and more stunning than I can figure out.
Joel Harris, that's the best thing you've ever said.
Better than the front row tickets?
Different kind of better.
Anna, road closed.
The rental agent mentioned this. Friday afternoon closure.
It's Thursday.
I came early.
Can we go around?
Let me figure out an alternative on the map.
Does the paper map show detours?
I chose everything. Look, there's a coastal track. Not on the main road. Goes through private farmland, then rejoins the highway 10 miles south.
Is it a real road?
It's on the map.
The last time someone said, it's on the map.
We found Belvedere Castle.
Fair point. Let's figure it out as we go.
This is stunning in a completely different way.
Quieter.
Pull over a second.
I can't figure out if that cow is impressive or just
Anna.
very calm. Pull over.
Both.
You're
Keep
driving.
I know. I'm pulling over.
Joel,
I know.
this isn't on any tourist map.
No.
We only found it because the road was closed.
Yes.
The universe is doing it again.
The road closure was the upgrade.
How do you figure out if a place is real or a dream?
You can't. That's how you know it's both.
Are you glad the road was closed?
It's the most stunning thing we've seen. Including the cliff. Including Big Sur. Because nobody else is here. Big Sur is stunning for everyone. This is stunning only for us.
Tired?
Completely. In the best possible way.
How many times did we pull over today?
I stopped counting after 11.
11 pullovers, 1 road closure, 1 hidden cove.
And the sourdough in Half Moon Bay.
The sourdough was stunning.
Now you're using it for food.
A word that good works for everything.
Have you figured out what tomorrow looks like?
More of the same, but different stunning. Carmel first, then down toward Malibu.
Is every part of this road stunning?
I haven't figured that out yet. Ask me at the end.
Driving Highway 1? Then you have the best days ahead, Big Sur.
Done.
And you survived.
Survived is the wrong word.
She cried.
I cried.
Everyone cries at Big Sur. It's the only correct response. This sourdough is from the same bakery, same crust pattern.
You can identify bread by its crust now?
Highway 1 changes a person. He's right, actually. Half Moon Bay Bakery supplies half the coast. Same sourdough starter for 40 years. Fed daily. Never stops.
Stunning. In a strange way. A living thing that old just continuing.
Like the coastline.
Can I ask you something? Are you glad we didn't fly?
We never even considered it.
I know, but we'd be in LA by now. Done. Both cities ticked off.
And we'd have missed everything in between. The cove, the purple beach, the cow.
Especially the cow. I think that's what this trip figured out for me. The destination was never the point.
Then what was?
Everything we'd have skipped to get there faster.
I used to think stunning was a word for big things. Mountains, oceans.
And now?
Now? I think it's for anything you actually look at. Properly. Even a cow.
The cow really got to you.
It was unreasonably calm in the most beautiful place I've ever seen. Completely unimpressed.
Maybe it's seen it every day of its life. Stunning becomes normal. Normal becomes peaceful.
Good night, Pacific.
He can't hear you.
I know. I just wanted to say it.